Splayed reveal and bays. If you have an angled reveal where the side walls widen as they get closer to the room, you can modify the subframe of your new unit to match the angle. Details on how to find the angle can be found in our measuring guide, or if you just want an estimate, the system will accommodate this as well, and you can add the angles later. Firstly, create your unit or units as per the standard process. Remember to click the Recalculate button to save any changes applied to each individual unit before entering the Splayed Reveal calculator. Click on the Splayed Reveal button. This will guide you through the process, where you can select which sides of the unit need to be angled. Here you can enter the angles if known at this stage. When you enter the angles, you will be asked if the sizes represent where the back or front of the unit will sit on the sill. The unit will be wider at the front than the back. Clicking Next will then show you a bird's eye view of the unit, where you can see if the shape presented would fit as required. Finally, confirm and recalculate the quote. Your beveled timbers are now applied to your quote to fit your splayed reveal. Bay windows. If creating a bay, you must have added more than one unit on the system. This will activate the Create a Bay option. The function will cater for most standard styles of bay window. A typical angled bay, a typical box or square bay, and a curved or multifaceted bay. Firstly, add all the units you require to form the bay. For example, an angled or box bay will normally require 3 units: bay left, bay center, and bay right. If it's a curved bay made up of 5 sections, for example, add the unit starting with the one on the left. You can then change any of the specification details as required, such as the glass type and panel splits. Once you've done this, remember to click Recalculate. Select the Create a Bay function. Now name the bay. This ensures you can see which units are applicable to the bay and if you have several bay windows in the queue. Add the unit quantity and click Next. Choose the units required from the drop-down lists. Select the type of bay. For example, if only 3 units have been selected, an angled or box bay will be presented as options. Once you've selected the type of bay, click Next. If you have selected an angled bay and you know the angles, as shown in the measuring guide, enter these into your quote. If you do not know the angles, you can simply tick the box. If a box bay is selected, these angles will be default set to 90 degrees. If a curved or multifaceted bay is selected, follow the same sequence previously shown. Once you have input your specifications, a bird's eye view of the units will be presented, which will allow you to confirm if the structure will fit your bay. Finally, confirm and click on the Recalculate button to save your changes. Your quote will be updated for you to view, send, or continue to check out.